Well, starting soon, if a crash or weather is getting in the way of your drive, MnDOT will let you know all about it. They're partnering with FEMA using the same program Amber Alerts are issued through. Danny Spiewak is here to explain how it all works. Danny?
Well, Randy, MnDOT says they're not going to use these alerts often, but your phone may buzz when you're close to severe weather or when there's a major crash on an interstate.
Nothing causes confusion like a road closure.
See folks coming down and turning around a lot. But,
Brian Strickler deals with this all the time in Minneapolis.
You see a lot of people using their Google Maps to try and get around and just don't realize that this is closed.
The same thing can happen during emergencies, like when a blizzard or crash shuts down the highway.
We get a lot of people who hit the road and they end up being stranded out there for hours.
That's why MnDOT's Brian Carey says the state decided to partner with FEMA to use the wireless emergency alert system. Much like an Amber Alert, MnDOT will start pinging nearby phones if severe weather closes a highway for more than 4 hours or if there's a major crash on the interstate.
We had heard that other states were kind of using similar type systems. There's a handful of them out there. And so we thought we would give this kind of a try as a pilot here and see how it works for Minnesota.
But don't expect to see these alerts when you're driving around the Twin Cities metro area. For now, MnDOT tells us they're primarily going to be using this technology in more rural areas of Minnesota.
Those areas don't have as frequent electronic message billboards or as many on and off ramps.
We're not going to use this in metro just because there's a lot of opportunities to get off the freeway system.
MnDOT also plans to use the system conservatively and only for drivers within 10 to 20 miles of a major incident.
We don't want these to become a nuisance. The average person might only get like 1, 2, maybe 3 of these a year.
It's something drivers will have to get used to.
I think that would be awesome, honestly, to have that kind of connected as well.
Keep in mind, you will not need to opt in to these MnDOT alerts. The only way to stop them is to turn off all those alerts on your phone, which would also include things like Amber Alerts.